Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream quick and easy. First, gather your ingredients: heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla extract. Combine these in a medium-sized bowl. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the sugar completely dissolves into the cream mixture. This ensures a smooth texture. Once mixed, pour the liquid into a shallow, freezer-safe container, preparing it for the next step. After pouring, place your container into the freezer. Let it chill for about 30 minutes to 1 hour until the edges start to firm up. Then, remove it and stir the partially frozen mixture vigorously with a fork or whisk. This breaks up ice crystals. Return it to the freezer and repeat this freezing and stirring process every 30 minutes for 2 to 3 hours, ensuring a creamy consistency. Now for the fun part, adding flavors. During your last stirring session, consider folding in some delicious additions. Chocolate chips, crushed cookies, or even chopped nuts work wonderfully. For a different twist, swirl in fruit purees like strawberry or raspberry, or a rich caramel sauce. You can also mix in a tablespoon of instant coffee for a delightful mocha ice cream. Get creative with your favorite treats. Once your ice cream reaches the desired consistency, it's ready to enjoy. Before serving, let it sit out at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. Dish it into bowls and top with sprinkles, whipped cream, or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. It's a perfect treat for any occasion. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.